Good morning, students of class 3. We are here with the video lesson 3 of mathematics, and you are here with me, the Smart School, the virtual classroom teaching. Students, we have done before these all lessons, but we shall give a quick recap for these lessons. Now we have the number system, comparing and ordered numbers, number sequence and number line. This is very much important topics. 7 to 13 pages. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to compare and order numbers, identify and complete number sequence, and understand the and utilize number line. Understand? Now, what is comparing numbers? Means we have to compare two numbers with the symbols. Means lesser than, greater than, and equal के sign के साथ, means equals to. To find the greater number out of two numbers, जब हमने दो नंबर्स में से एक नंबर ग्रेटर फाइंड आउट करना होता है तो हम उनकी कंपेयरिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं करनी डिजिट से वन बाय वन फ्रॉम द डिजिट एट द हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू. मींस जो हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू पे डिजिट होगा हम उसको पहले देखेंगे कि उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कंपेयर द नंबर्स 8374 and 8642. In this example, first compare the highest place value, which is 1000. Both place values are same in both numbers. 8 is at the place value of thousands. Understand? Now, in this case, we compare second digit which is 100. ठीक है. अब second digit को हम देखेंगे जो 100 place value पे है. But we have different numbers here. Here is 3 and here is 6 at the 100 place. In second number, it is 6. Means first number has lesser value and we write it as 8374 is lesser than 8642 because 6 is greater than 3. Understand? Now compare 8629 and 3986. 8629 is lesser than 3986. 4239 and 4293. So 4239 is lesser than 4293. Same with the case with them. 4152 and 4152. These are equals. Note that mouth of the symbol is always towards greater number. ठीक है. जो माउथ सिंबल का होता है वो हमेशा क्रोकोडाइल का जो माउथ है वो किसकी तरफ ओपन होता है, वो हमेशा ग्रेटर की तरफ ओपन होता है. एंड पॉइंट इज टुवर्ड्स स्मॉलर नंबर. और जो पॉइंटेड लाइन होती है वो किसकी तरफ ओपन होती है, वो किसकी तरफ होती है, वो लेसर की तरफ होती है. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ ऑर्डरिंग नंबर, ascending and descending order. This is very easy. The basic rule for ordering numbers are same as comparing number. The difference is that we compare two numbers, and for more than two numbers or a set of numbers we arrange in order to compare them. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा numbers होते हैं एक लाइन में तो हम उनको अरेंज करते हैं ऑर्डरिंग में. ठीक है. टू टाइप्स होती हैं ऑर्डरिंग नंबर्स की, ascending order and descending order. In ascending order, keep in your mind always smallest to largest, ascending. ठीक है. smallest to largest and descending largest to smallest. बस इतना याद रखिए कि ascending smallest to largest, descending largest to smallest. This is very much important topic. Comparing, ordering. For example, the set of numbers is 4893, 3984, 5907 and 2846. We have to arrange them all in ascending and descending order. In ascending सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे smallest number. ठीक है. 2846. Then उससे greater 3984. Then 4893, 5907. Understand? Then descending order में greatest to smallest. 5907 पहले आ जाएगा, 4893 उसके बाद आ जाएगा, 3984 is greater than it, and 2846 is the smallest number. I hope you understand again. Now here is number sequence. Jump जो करते हैं हम numbers में. A number sequence is a set of numbers following a pattern. This is also called skip counting. Understand? इस तरह हम tables लिखते हैं. तो tables में हम क्या करते हैं? 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 2 6, plus 2 8, plus 2 10, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25, like this. 10 plus 10. Understand? By finding the rule of pattern, we can write next numbers of the pattern. 124. Skip counting in twos, or the rule for pattern is plus 2. We have 2 plus 2, 124 plus 2, 126, 126 plus 2, 128, 128 plus 2, 130, and 130 plus 2, 132. Here is plus 5, the rule of plus 5. 355 plus 5, 360, plus 5, 365, plus 5, 370, plus 10, 412, plus 10, 422, plus 10, 432, plus 10, 442. Understand? I hope you understand number sequence again. Now here is number line. A number line is a straight line on which we make points with equal distances. On a number line, we write numbers in ascending order from left to right. ठीक है, हम ascending order में लिखते हैं smallest to greatest. ठीक है? We can draw a number sequence or a number pattern on a number line. आपको ये rule of 4 है, ये नजर आ रहा होगा स्क्रीन पे. ये हमने पहले भी किया था कि हमने नंबर लाइन को किस तरह से पैटर्न फिल करना है. ठीक है? 313 plus 4, 317 plus 4. Yes, 313 plus 4, 317, 317 plus 4, 321. 321 plus 4, 325. 325 plus 4, 329. 329 plus 4, 333. 333 plus 4, 337. Like this will all number line. इसमें भी पैटर्न होता है, पैटर्न सीक्वेंस से आपको जाना होता है. So we have done compare two numbers, arrange set of numbers in ascending and descending order, find the rule of given pattern, and complete number sequence on a number line. Now you have to practice again. Build up exercise 1, 2, and 3, page 9 and 10 of textbook. Build up exercise 1, 2, and 3, page 11 of textbook. Build up exercise 1 to 5, page 12 and 13, textbook. Build up exercise, brush up exercise 1, 2, and 3, page 13 of textbook. And at worksheet number 4 and 5, page 7 to 9 of workbook. If you will do this all, you can easily prepare your assessment. For the next lecture, thank you.